everybody, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel, Kathy's Favorite Things. Today is Sunday, December the 8th. It's getting close, guys. Christmas is only a few days away. We're almost halfway there. And today I'm here with a DIY collab that is hosted by my really good friend Christina in Michigan. So Christina is hosting this DIY collab, and it's either a Christmas DIY or a winter wonderland collab. My DIY, the one that I decided to make for you guys, it's a Christmas one, okay? Because you know me and Christmas is my favorite, and I wanted to make a Christmas wreath for you guys. So I'm going to be showing you what I made, and if you like it, make sure you comment down below to enter the giveaway. Okay guys, to enter the giveaway, like usual, you have to be 18 years or older, be a subscriber, like and comment down below. Make sure you write hashtag elf, and you have until Wednesday, December the 11th, to enter the giveaway until Wednesday midnight, okay? And then on Thursday, I'm going to draw the winner, and I make sure that I send this to you by that weekend, so you have it before Christmas, okay guys? So I'm going to show you what I made. The wreath, I have it all made. It's right here next to me. And after I show you, at the end of the video, you're gonna see a clip of image of the wreath up close where you can see all the details, and also a picture. So that's going to be at the end, okay? So I hope you like it. I made this with all my love for you guys. I love Christmas, and it's my favorite holiday, and Easter after Christmas. So I hope you enjoy this as much as I did making it for you guys. And when you receive it, you're gonna get something that I wanted to add to the wreath, but I didn't because I don't want it falling off during transport. You know, the post office, sometimes in this time of the year, they're kind of rough and they throw stuff around, and I don't want this to fall apart. So I'm going to send you something that I want you, when you receive it, you're gonna glue it to your wreath, okay guys? So let me show you. Again, this is a Christmas wreath, and it's an elf. It's inspired on the Elf movie. I love the Elf movie. It's one of my favorite Christmas movies, okay guys? And it's just so funny, and I can watch it so many times every year for Christmas. I watch it more than once, and every time I watch it, I laugh because it's just so funny. And it's, as you can see, it's an elf's hat. It has a pom-pom here, and there's little jingle bells right at the top here all around. It has some poinsettias. It has this wooden sign here that it says Merry Christmas. You know, it looks like a candy cane. It's white and red. It has some a gold poinsettia, another jingle bell here, another jingle bell here. It has three over here. That's another one. Oh, over here there is another one. See, it's hidden. It has this beautiful green mesh that I got from Joann's. See over here. There are more poinsettias all around it. There's some poinsettias in the back also. So I always like to decorate all around the wreath, so when you take it out, you don't see the mess in the back or whatever. It's always, I like it to be pretty all around. Here it has this round thing where you can hang it against your door. I added some little jingle bells here, the tiny ones. Only in the front though. I didn't put any on the back because I don't want that bothering your door, scratching your door or whatever. So the poinsettias are super pretty. They're, kind of soft looking. Really cool. And then this is a long wreath because And the bottom, see, it has this elf's legs, and those are the foot. Look at that. It has a trim embellishment there, and the pom-pom, the top of the shoe, and it says Merry Christmas. And when you open the door, this is gonna go jingle belling, you know. So this nutcracker is gonna go with the wreath when you receive it, and this is what you're gonna have to glue to your wreath if you want it, or you can, you know, if you don't want to glue it on it, then you can just use it as decoration, you know, on your mantle, fireplace mantle or whatever. But this, I wanted to glue this here because to me, the elf, you know, it's Santa's helper. They help Santa make toys, and the nutcrackers is one of the toys that I really like. And so I wanted to add that there. It goes, the colors go perfectly. They're gold and red and green, and this is gonna look perfectly here, but I understand if you don't want to glue it. I'm gonna send this along to you anyway, because this is what I wanted to do, and this is included in the price. Okay, guys? So I hope you like this. And if you do, don't forget to comment down below, #elf. Make sure you are a subscriber and 18 years or older. I am also going to add down below the links to all of the other channels included in this collab. I, for fact, know that 2 of my friends are in this collab. One is Elsa from Elsa the Bargain Hunter, and Tony from Creative Chica Hauls, and of course Christina from Christina in Michigan, because she's hosting this. But I'm not sure who else is in this, but I'm gonna make sure that everybody's links are down below, and make sure you go check them out. Okay, guys, I hope you like this, and if you do, please don't forget to comment, and we'll draw the winner for this giveaway on Thursday, the 12th of December, and you have until Wednesday, the 11th of December, midnight, to enter. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I hope you like the wreath that I made for you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you again soon. Bye bye.